Okay. Today we're going to talk, in this video, we're going to talk about classifying triangles by their angles on the inside. Ooh. Okay, so triangles can have different angles. And we've learned recently about three different types of angles: acute, obtuse, and right angles. Okay, the right angles are the ones that go perpendicular. Oh, whatever. They're perpendicular. Let me just see if that's the right angle. They're perpendicular and they're made up of 90 degrees. They're exactly 90 degrees. That's about it. Close enough. They're 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees. That's what a right angle is. And we can classify triangles by doing this. We can say, we say, a triangle that has one right angle like this is called a right triangle. It's called a right triangle. Right triangle. A triangle with an obtuse angle, or an angle with more than 90 degrees, is called an obtuse triangle. It's called an obtuse triangle. And a triangle with where all of its angles are less than 90 degrees I'll have to see if this is it's called an acute triangle. Let me see if this is an acute triangle. That is less than 90 degrees. That is less than 90 degrees. And I already know that this one's less than 90 degrees. So this one is an acute triangle because all of its angles, this angle, this angle, and this angle, are all less than 90 degrees. This is an obtuse angle, an obtuse triangle, because it has one angle, this angle right here, that is more than 90 degrees. And this is a right triangle because it has one angle that's 90 degrees. That is 90 degrees. Okay. And I'm also going to tell you something pretty cool about all these triangles. I guess I could say that in another video. But yes, this is how we classify triangles by their angles. This is how we classify triangles by their angles. An acute is one where all of them are less than 90 degrees. Right has one 90 degree angle, and obtuse has one that is greater than 90 degrees. Sounds cool.